Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. Today I'm gonna do a super exciting tutorial, an eye makeup tutorial. Well, I'm gonna use the bronzer as well, but I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. So I'm super excited. On the carton it says it's infused with peach and sweet fig cream. And if you've seen my Sephora VIB haul, I've featured this in there, so it smells really good. So I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and jump right in. I've finally washed all of my brushes, so that's not gonna be a problem. Yeah, I was thinking I actually might zoom in a little closer for this part. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna zoom you guys on it. All right, zoomed on in real close. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of, let's look at the colors. Okay, so again, this smells really good. So I'm gonna go in with the Peach Meringue, which is this first color on the left. And I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush, a E40, it looks like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and start to apply that. So I'm gonna hold the mirror off to the side so you guys can see. So I do have a wee bit of mascara on because I did go to work today and I put some on earlier. That was at like 5:30 though, so I'm not sure how, it's doing a pretty good job, I have to admit. So I'm just gonna use that to set everything down. Okay, I think I kind of want to use like these few colors right here. They're pretty fun. So let's do that. So I guess though I'll start with like, I don't know whether to start with this color or this color. I think I might start with this one. This is Peaches and Cream. I'm gonna take a slightly smaller brush, an E35, just slightly, it's still kind of big and fluffy, and go in with that. I'm growing my bangs out, guys. Oh my goodness, look at how pigmented that is. That is no joke. Okay. It looks a little bit more washed out, probably because of the light. The ring light, but okay, so we have our first transition color down. What I'm doing is so my orbital de bone is like right here, and everyone's eyes are different, and then I'm just going there and slightly up so that all the other shades can blend from there down. So now I'm going to go in with Just Peachy. It's this one right here. And I'm going to use a E25 brush, so it's slightly more dense and packed. So this was the E35. So as you can see, it's slightly more fluffy, fluffy, slightly more fluffy. And I'm just going to take that basically near my orbital bone and like below. So with a brush that's slightly more dense like this one, it's going to not that the fluffier brushes wash out the color per se, but it's going to be a little bit more intense. And then I'm going to go in with Peach Punch, this one, and I'm just going to use the same brush. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, So, and I'm just gonna take that one in the outer corner, kind of do like swiping motions, not swiping, circular motions, and kind of take that more into like the outer V area of the eye, like right here in here. Okay, so kind of like that. All right, I think that looks pretty good. All right, and I'm gonna take like, let's do this one. It's like a fluffy angled brush. It's E70, an angled shading brush. Oh, that was my shoulder. It popped. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with Peaches and Cream and just Peachy, and I'm gonna put those together kind of on my lower lash line, starting in the outer corner. Like that, so that this blends into that. Okay, something like that. And then I might go in with like that plummy color or brown color to just kind of intensify the outer lower lash line. Okay, I'll take this one. This is an E52. It's called Exact Blend. And I'm just gonna take this color right here. And I'm gonna just put it so like that to like intensify the outer. I'm gonna take that first fluffy brush we used with Peaches and Cream and just kind of blend the kind of outer bit. Had the mirror in front of my face. Okay, so I want it to look something like that, like gradiate from lightest to deepest. And then I'm so used to putting like a shimmer on the lid, but I think I want to do something all matte. This is the fresh picked color, so I might do that. Or I could do peach butter. That like doesn't even show up on my skin. So I'll start with that one. I'll go in with peach butter. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do that. So what I ended up doing was blending Peaches and Cream and fresh picked, that color I swatched on my hand. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good. All right, now I'm just gonna go in with the other product that I have from this collection, and I'm gonna kind of zoom you guys out for that. So let's go into the bronzer. Okay, so this is the Sweetie Pie bronzer. Radiant Matte Bronzer is what it says right here. Big fluffy brush. I'm not gonna be using this to contour. That's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna just a little blended into my hairline. So it has the bronzer colors, but it also has a little bit of like pink in it. So I'm just gonna kind of treat it just like a bronzer and blush all in one. So after just tapping my brush in a few times, you can see that there's not any of the like that shimmery stuff that's on top. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of highlight as I give you my thoughts. So I really like this eyeshadow, like how it came out. I'm just gonna see if I can touch up my mascara a little bit. So yeah, I love the colors in there. I kind of love this like peachy kind of vibe. I feel like it really brings out the brown in my eyes. And I think I should go in and try to do a look with the super beautiful wine color. So yeah, a little mascara goes a long way, let me tell you. Okay, so yeah, I really want to go in with, sorry, I'm trying to open the palette. So I really want to go in with this color. It's called Peach Sangria. It's like that. And just to kind of see how that kind of plays with the like the beautiful like the browns and stuff. But yeah, I love this palette and this bronzer. So I would totally invest in the other products. Like I said in my Sephora VIB haul, the setting spray and the powder. It's just not something that I could have bought all at once, but I'm really excited. Hopefully I'll be able to, there goes my lip gloss, purchase the lipsticks too as well. Alright, so I'm going to try this new lip that I have. I think it'll go good with this eyes. These eyes. It's in, it's from Maybelline. It's called Ruler. It's their liquid lipsticks. Okay, so something like this I really think goes good with the eyes, and it's very like fall wintry time. So thank you so much for watching, and give me a like and a subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!